guys, here you can see it, one more solving video has been came on the LeetCode Cam channel, and in today's video we are solving our 417 question by the name of Pacific Atlantic Water Flow. So yeah, in today's video we are solving this question, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you don't have to miss about these type of videos on this channel. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, let's solve a 417 question by the name of Pacific Atlantic Water Flow. Okay, and this is a question, medium question, and question number 417. Like I've already told you in my introduction. So let's try to solve it. And this question is very big. Here you can see it. Its explanation, its examples. So let's see why it is bigger. Okay. So let me drag and drop it here, and then in the Word file, and then give the pop-in font. So let's see it. Now here there is an MXN rectangular island that borders both the Pacific Ocean. Highlighted the Pacific Ocean because this is a main point in our this solving video, and Atlantic Ocean. Okay, and I highlight this Atlantic. The Iceland that borders both the Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Okay, in this question there are two oceans, Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean touches the Iceland's left and top edges, and the Atlantic Ocean touches the Iceland right and bottom edges. Okay, please highlight it that things which I am highlighting, like Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, this Atlantic Ocean. The Iceland is partitioned into a grid of square cells. You are given an MXN integer matrix heights, where height square bracket R square bracket C represents the height above sea level of the cell at the coordinate RC. Okay, the Iceland receives a lot of rain, and the rainwater can flow to neighboring cells directly, north, south, east, and west. If the neighboring cell's height is less than or equal to, please highlight the less than or equal to the current cell's height, water can flow from any cell adjacent to an ocean into the ocean. So this are tasks. We return the 2D list of a grid coordinates result, where result square bracket I equal to square bracket RC denotes that the rainwater can flow from cell RC to both the Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. So these are tasks which it doesn't give me in this question. Okay, these are tasks. Let me highlight this tasks. Okay, tasks. So let me give the no fill and then red, and then these are tasks. Okay, here you can see it. Now first of all, this is the diagram in which these are the Pacific Ocean and okay, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, these are the diagram in which these are Pacific Ocean, and then let me highlight it in the red. Okay, these are the Pacific. Then there are some things which is highlighted in the brown color. If you see here, you can see it. Some things are highlighted in the brown color. If you can see it here, you can see it. Something which are highlighted in the brown color. These are the things. Here you can see it. 6, 7, and then 5. 5. Here you can see it. Like 5, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here there are something which it has been highlighted. There is a Atlantic here, and there is a Pacific. In the up, there is a Pacific, and there is a Atlantic in the down. Here you can see in the left Atlantic, right Pacific, below Atlantic Ocean, in the top Pacific Ocean. This is a diagram which it has been given me, and let's see the input in which he create a one integer a string string not integer by the name of heights, in which he write 1 2 2 3 5 3 2 3 4 4. These are the numbers, and output will be coming like this, because the following cells can flow to the Pacific and Atlantic Ocean as shown below, like 04 semicolon 04, it is a Pacific Ocean. 04 Atlantic Ocean, 131303 Pacific Ocean. These are the one explanation, you can see it. Now, note that there are other possible paths for these cells to flow the Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. If you note that, here you can see it. Now, in our case 2, our output will be case 1, our output will become like this, and in our case 2, our output will become like this: height square bracket I. The water can flow from the only cell to the Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. So that's where our output will be like this. So this is our diagram. Let's understand this diagram one more time. There is 1, 2, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 2, 3, 5. Then 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. Then 2, 4, 5, 3, 1. Then 6, 7, 1, 4, 5. Then 5, 1, 1, 2, 4. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 5. So that's right. Okay, let's try to solve this question, I think, because I understand this question. So first of all, define your rows, because there is this is coming in the rows. Here you can see it: 5, 4, 1, 5, 7, 6. This is coming in the rows, so define rows. Now we found the length of our heights. Okay, then we write cols, means column, and then here we found the length of our heights, the square bracket 0. Now here we write Pacific visited equals to set, then rounded brackets, then enter. Atlantic visited equals to set, then this. Depth TFS, then visited, comma row, comma call, comma start underscore value. Enter. Space, space. Now define your check grid boundaries. Okay. Now here we check the grid of grid boundaries. So write if statement row less than 0 or row greater than equals to rows, or call less than 0 or call greater than equals to calls, then semicolon, then enter. Then erase it, and then erase this also. Return. Now here we check the grid boundaries. So here I cell has been visited. Now if row comma call in visited, enter, return. So here we cells has been visited. In this line we cells is visited. So here I check the condition: if heights row call, then less than start value, then semicolon, return. Here I check the condition in this line. Now here I write visited dot add, then row comma call, enter. Now back erase it. So here I check the 4 directions. Okay, here in this line I check the 4 directions. Okay, DFS visited, comma row plus 1, comma call, comma height row, then call. Then when we do this, so we copy above one and then we will paste it here. Then give us the space minus. Then perfect. When we write this all the things, then you do the same thing. You will be enter, then paste it. Then you only want to do it backspace here, and then define here nothing. You will define here. You only define row, and here you define call plus 1, and then copy, and then paste it, and then define here minus 1. Now perfect. Here we check the 4 directions in 28, 29, 30 and 31 line. Okay. So now here we define for loop call in range, then calls, and then calls, then semicolon, then enter. Now here I define DFS, then Pacific visited, comma 0, comma call, comma heights, then 0, then call, then here we define a top row. Okay, and now DFS at here we define the top row means of the Pacific Ocean. So here we define our bottom row of the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, Atlantic visited, then define your row slash minus call comma heights, then row, then -1, then call. Perfect. Here we define a bottom row. Now when we do this, so we copy this all the thing, then paste it, then enter. Here remove this call right row, and then define here also be row, and then define here row 0, okay, then heights row then 0. So this is the first column. Now this is Atlantic, okay. In this Atlantic we define here row calls -1, then remove this, then -1 right here. Now this is a bottom row. Perfect. Now here we find the cells, okay. Now we find the cells in that are in the both sets, okay. Find the cells that are in both sets, okay. So enter press, output equals to list, then cell, okay, then for cell in Pacific visited, then end at end, where is the end, okay, Atlantic visited. Perfect. Now when we do this, so we here we write the Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean also. So you and the end you write return output, so the output will become. Then let's see the code, okay. Let's see which we have written down it, okay. So let's run it and let's see, there is some error, okay. I know there is some error. Here you can see it in the batch error, okay. Here we do not define this. Now the error will be not come, I think so. So in the name height there is coming error, okay. What is the error? Here we define heights, by the mistake I define height. Let's see in which line, okay, in this line. Atlantic visited, then comma rows -1 call, then heights row column, okay. Let's see the error, okay. What is the error in this code? Let me control Z, let me rewind it, okay, then see it. Let me rewind, okay. Now here I rewind it, so let's see now. Pacific visited, okay. Pacific visited, okay. Here you do not define call, define here calls, okay. Add a S, and here you do not define any S, define only call. So let's run it now. I think so now it not to give me any error. So here you can see our all cases are accepted, our case 1 is also be accepted, and our case 2 is also be accepted. And let's see the submission when we submit this code. So when we submit this code, so the submission is also be correct, and we solve it in 28 milliseconds very easily. As here you can see here, we solved our Pacific Atlantic water flow 417 question in today's video, and there is my profile by the name of Rayyan. So go and view my profile, okay. So we solved it very easily. Yes, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to also notification bell also, so you never miss these type of videos on the channel. So let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.